Most makers list their products in places like Etsy and Amazon with a bunch of static images that look kind of like this. And it works, but it doesn't really show any depth or texture or what the piece actually feels like in the real world. Now watch what happens with this same image that's turned into full motion using Kittl's new AI video tools. Nothing was filmed here. There was no camera, there was no lighting, no editing. This video started from the exact same product image I just showed you, and it was generated directly inside Kittl. If you sell engraved or handmade products online, this is a big deal because video like this really helps buyers understand the value of what they're looking at, and that can directly impact whether they click buy or not. Let me show you exactly how this works and where it makes sense for you to use as a maker. All right, before we jump into video, it's worth quickly talking about why things like Kittl's AI image product tools became so useful to makers like me in the first place. Now, for me, creating product images used to mean staging a bunch of photos, building mock-ups, spending time with multiple design programs just to get something ready to show a customer. Kittl changed that for me by letting me generate clean professional visuals directly from prompts. That could include product scenes, lifestyle images, and branding assets. And it used to take hours, now it takes minutes. For laser engraving businesses especially, that's a pretty big deal because you can take your finished piece, drop it into a clean visual environment, and suddenly your products look like they belong in a high-end storefront instead of your dimly lit workshop bench. And that matters because better images don't just look nicer, they directly impact clicks, trust, and ultimately sales. But even great images still have one big limitation. They lack a sense of action, and that's where video really starts to change the game. Let's walk through an example to show exactly how this AI video generation works inside a real project. Now, I'm going to start from product images that I generated for a previous video in this Kittl series, and it's just the kind of asset that most makers are already going to have when they're preparing for a new listing. So for this coaster image that I created previously, I'm going to add a new smartboard specifically for AI video generation, and this part's new. If you've used Kittl AI image generation before, this part's going to feel really familiar. It's basically the same. It's still prompt driven. It's just applied to motion instead of a still scene. From here, I'll enter a simple prompt describing how I want this product to come to life. Something like, a coffee cup being placed on the coaster. Then I'll click the generate button and Kittl will take a couple of minutes to generate a short video based on the image I previously created using the prompt. The important thing here isn't that it just generates a video, it's how easy that task actually was. And I'll point out that there are some real subtleties here in this video, expanding to full screen, for example, and the coaster moving slightly when the cup is put in place. The last task is to simply export this video as an MP4 file, and Kittl makes that really simple. It's a one-button operation. Now, this video generation took about 2 minutes, and there was no camera setup or recording multiple takes, and there isn't any need to jump into a video editor after to spend 15 minutes to clean things up. You're simply taking an asset you already had for a product listing and turning it into motion that helps people understand the value of your product faster and more clearly. And that's what makes this practical for one-person shops. Using Kittl is not about additional work, but rather removing a bunch of steps that you would have otherwise had to do. Now, let me show you something else that's really interesting here. I started from just an image of my logo, and I generated an actual image of a guy standing in a dog park for some reason with the shirt on. That's a static image, but notice the dogs in the background. When I generated a video from that image, it recognizes that these are actually dogs, and when I hit play here, you can see the dogs are actually moving, which I think is really interesting. AI video generation is just getting way too smart, but it's definitely going to be something that's handy for makers who are trying to get products out and sold without taking a ton of time to make it happen. So before we move ahead here, I wanted to just call out one thing about AI video generation, or AI generation in general, which is that the last frame of that previous video, the guy standing in the dog park with the shirt, if I show you the logo there and freeze frame it here, you'll see that the logo is kind of messed up. It's not really the logo that I started with. And that's because I started from an original image, generated an AI image, and then used that AI image to generate a video. So you got a couple generations of recreation happening there. And that's a caution. It's not a Kittl issue. This is how video generation seems to happen. And Kittl's just using a standard video AI tool. So be aware that that can happen. Now, the way to fix that is rather than do that intermediate generation of a still image of a guy standing in a dog park, we can go directly from the image we started with and create an actual video animation. And that's just a simple case of creating a smartboard for video from the original image. And you can see it here. And when I actually run this one, again, I took the same query that I did for the still in the previous example and just said make it a video instead. And when I play this video, you can see that when we zoom into the shirt, the logo is proper here. It's not messed up in any way at all. Now, the other thing you might have noticed about that previous example was that I deliberately took the text off of my logo. And something else to be aware of is if AI can sometimes mess text up, and that's especially true if you're doing this multi-generational thing where you generate an image and then from the image you generate a video. Things get messed up. So if we do that direct from the original logo to a video, that tends to be less of a problem. And some AI engines are better at this than others. So, be aware that Kittl supports 5 or 6 different ones, and you pick the best one for the job you're trying to do. Now, I'll explain the green here in a second, but I took my Chrome logo, which is the one I use for my videos normally, and I created a video here with the same query that I was using before, again, directly to a single video. And when I play this video, it starts from that first frame, which is the logo. And you might want to do this in your own videos if you're showing them so that people get your company first and then they zoom into your product. And you can see here the t-shirt is absolutely perfect. Now I'll show you one last thing here, because not everything you're going to want to use video for is a listing. You also have a bunch of other assets if you have a business, and if you're selling things, you do. So I use Kittl video generation for a lot of things, including assets that I use to create videos. And I'll start again. I'll show you a quick example. I'll start again from that coin on a green screen. Now, I will say this is for chroma key, so the green will be eliminated in video, but I have this rather elaborate query that basically says spin this coin twice and then roll it off the side. And the kind of thing you would use for the introduction of a video. So you can see it there. And again, it's very clean. Even when it rotates backwards, the text is still there, but it's backwards on the coin. I don't mind that. But you can use this for other kinds of assets as well in your business. So maybe marketing collateral or maybe you just want to show somebody something, and you can do that very quickly. Stepping back and looking at this from a maker's perspective, AI video feels like a very natural evolution of what Kittl has already been building. AI video generation is certainly capable of complete foolery, like these chihuahuas that are boxing, but it can also help achieve great things for your business and produce some real increases in product sales. Kittl provides centralized access to AI assistance with a single subscription, and that matters because shops that want to win online aren't just the ones with the best products, they're the ones that present those products in a way that shows their value and creates customer demand. It won't completely replace real photography or real video, but dramatically lowers the barrier for small shops that don't have time, people, or equipment to create those assets consistently the old-fashioned way. If you want to find out more about Kittl's new AI video feature, I've got a link in the description down below where you can check it out. And if you want to go deeper into how Kittl works for makers, from AI images to product mockups and workflow tips, I've put together a complete playlist where you can go see my own personal Kittl journey over the past couple of years. And with that, I'll wind down. I'll say get out there, make your world, and I'll see you next time.